Are you concerned about how weather conditions in Hickory, North Carolina might affect your roof? Understanding the impact of local weather on your roof can help you take proactive measures to maintain it and prevent costly repairs or replacements. Hot and humid summers in Hickory can cause roofing materials to expand and contract, leading to cracks and splits. Heavy rainfall and storms can cause water damage, leading to leaks, mold, and mildew. Strong winds can lift and remove shingles, while hailstorms can cause dents and cracks. Cold winters and occasional ice can lead to ice dams, preventing proper drainage. Prolonged exposure to UV rays can degrade roofing materials over time. To protect your roof from weather damage, schedule regular inspections and maintenance. Ensure proper ventilation to prevent heat and moisture buildup. Invest in high-quality, weather-resistant materials like metal roofing and architectural shingles. Apply waterproofing treatments and sealants to enhance resistance to water infiltration. Trim overhanging trees to prevent damage from falling limbs and reduce debris buildup. Always hire a professional roofing contractor for repairs to ensure proper work and maintain warranties. Weather conditions in Hickory, North Carolina can significantly impact your roof. If you suspect any weather-related damage or need professional roof maintenance, reach out to RoofWorks to book a free roof inspection today.